Hello food lovers. Today I would like to cook something that is savory, with caramel sweet, hot and salty spices. I will be cooking Kungpao pasta with chicken. First let's cook 250 grams pasta according to package instruction. Next saute chicken in oil, season with salt. Add in peanuts, and cook for a few minutes. After that, in a separate saucepan we will heat the ready-to-use Kungpao pasta sauce, since there are available Kungpao sauce in the grocery. Once the sauce is fully heated, toss in pasta to the sauce and when you serve it, let's have garnish by sprinkling chopped spring onions. Serve it while it's hot. It's so easy, affordable, anyone could really do this. For preparation and cooking this tasty and aromatic Kungpao pasta, I would like to thank my cooking partner Rosie. By the way, to wrap up everything, since it's important that we need to mention the ingredients that Ma'am Rosie used earlier, so we have pasta, chicken meat, oil, or if you have olive oil that's better, peanuts, of course the very convenient to use ready-made Kungpao sauce and some onion springs. Oh, a little salt to taste too. And now presenting the yummy bowl of Kungpao pasta, looking great and smells great. Time for some taste test. Try it guys.